Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel once again. This is going to be the first unboxing video that I do on this channel. I'm super excited about it. So a friend of mine just ordered for this particular machine, and once it has come in, it's an opportunity for us to see exactly what the HP Victus looks like. So we're going to unbox this together to see exactly what it looks like. This HP Victus was made in the year 2022, and currently we are in 2023, so it's been 1 year old in the market, and it's a pretty new machine, very expensive. I mean, expensive is relative, so it depends on how much money you have in your bank account. The specs for this machine, this HP is Intel Core i7, 1 TB solid state drive. Great. 1 TB SSD. My current gaming machine that I use has only 128 gig SSD drive in it. So this is 1 TB. That's huge. And 16 gig RAM. Wow. We're going to play some games with this machine. Then no optical drive, Windows 11. The size is 16.1 inch full HD display and dedicated graphics, GeForce RTX 3060 6 gig. Great. So now we're going to open it to see what is inside. So one question that I had when we were buying this machine was whether it was brand new or not. We found out that the platform where we ordered the machine from has various options when it comes to buying machines, and this particular machine was bought as an open box machine. And what that means is that this is a machine that somebody probably bought earlier. For that matter, they initially opened the box, however they returned it within a couple of days, and also it has been G-Squad certified. So the owners or the technicians behind the platform where we bought it from have already certified that the machine is in good state, as good as new, and therefore there are no issues. So yeah, we've peeled the sellotape that was originally on it, but then let's see what it comes with. So here we go. First things first, what do you think is coming out first? Guess? Make a guess. Oh no, you didn't guess right. I believe you didn't. Yeah? Because this is what came out first. But then it comes out with a charger. This is what a charger looks like. Great. HP. And this side. With this type of pin. That's good. Now let's get into it and see exactly what the computer itself looks like. Computer, come out! Out! Ooh. Man, this is heavy. It's big and heavy. Yeah. Alright, so the computer is out now. Let's expose the baby. Great. So this is what the HP Victus looks like. It's quite heavy. I didn't check the weight, did I? It's solid. I mean, it looks very solid, pretty solid. Alright, so get rid of this and that. See? Ooh. Okay. Ooh, very nice. With the cooling fans, double cooling fans as I can see here. Wow. The shape. Designed and engineered by HP. Wow. Look at the Victus logo. Mostly when you buy an HP machine, they actually have just HP on it, like HP as in their logo. But this Victus machine has Victus on it. And very nice. This is what the back looks like. Wow. Made into the V shape. Made into the V shape to represent Victus. That is interesting. So the sides, we have the USB cords, and also there's fan outlet here. Then this side, great. So when you look at this side, all right, what I can see here, there's a charging port. Then this is the Ethernet cable port. then HDMI ports, USB, Type-C. That's nice. So the Type-C USB is also available. Then we have the headsets jack, then SD card slots. Now let's open this baby. Ready? Yes, you can see. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, McAfee Plus Premium. All-in-one protection for your privacy, identity, and more. Okay, we'll look at that soon. Okay, let me turn this for you to see how sleek this thing looks like. Wow. Wow. The keypads are just like my own. I mean, I love it when they stand out like this. Very, very nice. Intel i7 GeForce from NVIDIA. Right, then the Victus brand here. I think I like the colors. White and sea blue. And Victus here. Great, great. I think one thing I like about this sort of machines is the fact that the hinge is like the whole middle part. There are a lot of HP machines, the common ones that mostly has just two hinges and they usually end up breaking like that. So when you get a solid machine like this, that's really excellent. Ooh, let's plug and play. Let's see for the first time what the boots will be like. Plug and play. Okay. Yeah, here. Ooh, plug in. Yeah, it's charging. So I don't know if you can see, but the red light is on, indicating that this is charged. In the middle somewhere here, click on that and the light turns on. So the machine is coming on for the first time. We are booting this. So per the instructions on the sheet, this comes pre-installed with Windows 11. Almost there. Hooray! We did it! We did it! And now Windows 11 is here. Great, so that was the unboxing of the HP Victus machine, the 16.1 inch long machine, or wide machine if I should say. And I'm happy to have captured this very moment when it came. And hopefully in the course of time, I'm going to be doing a lot more unboxing when I begin to do my setup. So look out for more videos where I unbox products and many other videos. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos relating to tech. And also comment down any other videos that you want to see on this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.